Yo, it's Vesec. Today's Tuesday plugin tutorial is all about DynMap. This plugin is great for survival servers. It allows your players to essentially have access to a Google Maps version of your world. Your players will be able to have a full bird's eye view of your map through a web page. So let's jump into the tutorial. As with all plugins, drag and drop that bad boy into your plugin folder, and then restart your server. So a great thing about this plugin is that it's so easy to set up, but if you guys do run into any dramas, check the description for information or drop a comment below and I'll help you out. Now once your server's booted back up, you want to navigate to the newly created DynMap folder. Once in there, click on the configuration.txt file. So there's many things you can tweak in this file, like you can choose whether or not to show a player's location or their health. One thing I do recommend changing is the resolution of your map. I would recommend changing it to either low res or V low res. This is to avoid any performance issues with your server. Also, if you want to go a step further, you can change what format the images are saved in. You might want to change it to JPEG, for example, for a smaller file size. The only thing that is necessary to this tutorial is smacking that Control F and typing TCP. Now, this will bring you to this magic number that will let us view our map on a web page. So you can actually set this number to any number above 1024. So for this tutorial, I'm going to use 25568. If you end up getting an error on the web page that your port is taken, just try changing to a different port. Now this next step is totally optional, but you can add a texture pack to the map viewer. So if you want to do that, first thing you want to do is download the texture pack you want, navigate to the DynMap folder, then texture packs, then drag and drop. Next, go to the DynMap folder, find shaders.txt, then delete all the text inside and paste this new text, which will be in the description for you guys to copy paste, of course. And then it's as simple as adding the texture pack's name. So I'll include that name and paste, bada bing, bada boom, save that and you're done. After this, restart your server. Now we're ready to see the magic of DynMap. Jump onto your internet browser, type your server IP, followed by the port we chose before. And there you have it. Here is your world. This is my server Vescraft. So at the moment, there's only a few chunks loaded. That's why it's all black. You can either let your players fill in the gaps, or you can go onto your server and type /DynMap full render and then the world's name. This might take a bit depending on how big your world is. Now you can see after I've run that command, the map is slowly rendering in by itself. So some other features on this, if you hover your mouse over to the right, you can see the players on there. You can see all the worlds that I have, and you can see the players. You can click on the player, and now we can see what Beans is up to. Beans is one of the builders on my server. He's working hard. So that's about it for DynMap. It's pretty simple to use, and it's really cool. If you guys have any more questions, don't hesitate to ask. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.